In this video, we are going to solve a problem based on series RL circuit. So problem statement is like this. An iron core coil takes 4 ampere at power factor of 0.5 when connected to 200 volts 50 hertz supply. When iron core is removed and the voltage is reduced to 40 volts, the current rises to 5 ampere at power factor of 0.8. Find the iron loss in the core and inductance value in each case. So understand the problem carefully. So iron core coil is given. That means there will be a core which is responsible for some loss, and loss in AC circuit is responsible because of resistance only. So basically we have to find out what is the resistance which is responsible for creation of iron loss. Before that, let's write the things that are given. So they have given a coil takes 4 ampere. So current I equal to 4 ampere. A power factor 0.5. So cos 5 is given as 0.5. Remember, all this thing we are doing considering core is there. If I know cos phi, I can get phi. So phi is nothing but 60 degree. Let's immediately solve for sin phi, because we are going to use cos phi and sin phi. So sin phi is 0.866. Beside that, they have given when it is connected to 200 volt 50 hertz supply. So voltage is 200 volt. Now I know total current, total voltage. I can get impedance of coil is V by I. 200 divided by 4, which is 50 ohm. Now by impedance triangle, I can say resistance of the coil is Z coil into cos phi. So it's a 50 multiplied by 0.5, answer is 25 ohm. Similarly, I can get X coil, Z coil into sin phi, 50 multiplied by 0.866, the answer is 43.3. Now from reactance I can get an inductance. The formula is X coil equal to 2 pi FL. That leaves L equal to X coil upon 2 pi F, which is equal to 43.3 upon 2 pi multiplied by 50. So L I am getting 0.1378 Henry. So when core is there, I am getting inductance value as 0.1378. Let's go to the next part where core is removed. So what are the conditions when iron core is removed? So let's go back to the problem. When iron core is removed, the voltage is reduced to 40 volts. So voltage becomes 40. Current rises to 5 ampere. Current becomes 5 ampere. And power factor of the coil will become 0.8. Again, I can get Z coil. This time it is 40 divided by 5, which is 8 ohm. Similarly, From cos phi, let's get the value of phi. So phi equal to cos inverse of 0.8, which is equal to 36.87 degree, and sin phi will be sin 36.87 degree, which is 0.6, because we are going to use sin phi and cos phi in order to get resistance and reactance. So resistance in this case equal to Z coil into cos phi. Z coil we obtained as 8 and cos phi is 0.8. So I am getting the resistance value as 6.4 ohm. And reactance value X Z coil into sin phi. So it is 8 multiplied by 0.6. I am getting X, or you can say XL, as 4.8 ohm. We know XL is 2 pi FL. So from this I can get the inductance as XL divided by 2 pi F. So it's a 4.8 divided by 2 pi, frequency is 50. So this will give you answer 0.0153 Henry. So when iron core is removed, inductor will become 0.0153 Henry. Now last part, what is the core loss in iron core? So whenever I say iron core is there, I am getting resistance value is 25. As soon as I remove iron core, resistance become 6.4 ohm. So the resistance which is responsible for iron loss is RC, is nothing but 25 minus 6.4. What is the logic? This resistance that I have taken, it is a resistance of coil with core, whereas this resistance is resistance of coil without core. So if we solve, what is the resistance which is responsible for a loss is 18.6 ohm. Once you obtain that, core loss is nothing but a power loss, which we can obtain as I square RC. So core loss will be, and when I am getting a core loss, when core will be there in place. So what is that? Scenario 1 or 2? Obviously it is scenario 1, and scenario 1 current is 4 ampere. So this thing you have to remember. You have to take a 4 ampere current, because at that time core will be present. So I value is 4 square, and RC is 18.6. So if we solve core loss, you will get as 297.6 watt. This is the required answer. Thank you.